Hi, this is Raquel of the YogaSlackers and the 12 Days of Handstands, and during this video we're going to learn what a meter check is. As I started my handstand practice, I realized I needed to work on my line throughout the entire day. The drills that we're practicing are about learning how to find our handstand line and hold it. The faster we can find our handstand line, the easier our freestanding handstands, transitions, and entrance are going to be. One of the things I started naturally doing was doing what I call a meter check, which is using a meter to check my handstand line. What I like to do is that I stand sideways to the meter, right? And I want to be able to see my core. And I bring the arms up. I notice what my natural stance is. And then from there, I do the same motions that I do on the belly to the ground exercises to find the handstand line. So starting from bringing the feet together, the knees touch for some of us, tucking the tailbone in, bringing the ribs in, extending the arms up overhead, working on the external rotation and lifting. And then I look at the mirror and notice if what I am doing is what I think I am doing. And I work and see what happens when I bring the ribs in, or what muscles needs to engage if I need to round my back a little bit or open my hips more. I have been doing this drill for a really long time, so it's easy now for me to find my handstand line without having to move a lot. But as you are new or newer to the practice, you may notice that you make a movement that doesn't translate to what you think should happen. So being able to look at yourself while adjusting yourself is going to help you later on when we're doing the drills to remember how it feels versus what you are looking for. So next time you pass a meter, get sideways on it and find your handstand line. Bye-bye. Remember to subscribe and send your one-time or monthly donations to YogaSlackers 12 Days of Handstand program. See you upside down. Yeah?